Hello. Guys, so lahat ng pumunta sa Tagum kagabi, thank you. Maraming salamat. Grabing energy nyo kagabi, as in. Birthday mo, kaso maulan, happy birthday. Wala si AZ dito ngayon eh. Si Kira, I think Kira's in Cavite. Hello. Uy, sa mga pupunta sa Tagum maraming salamat. Daghang salamat ho sa inyong lahat. I really appreciate it. Grabing energy nyo kagabi. As in, wow. I was so happy. Since Maka. Wow, thank you. Kamusta naman kayong maulan na araw? Lakas na ulan ngayon eh. Guys, tugtog tayo ng mga kantang gusto nyo. Oh, he was really good. First time ko siya nakita umiyak nun. Kaya, galing. Oo nga, ba't masakit to? Masakit yung multo. Dapat happy tayo. Happy na lang tayo. At baka sakaling namamalikmata lang. Oh, happy naman para sa inyo. Ayan o. Make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow. Kuya Dino, kamusta po? Throwing petals like the 11 night. Ay, 5:40, mag-post kaya ako na May mag-post ako, baka magustuhan nyo guys. Forever, babe, did you mean it or not? Hold on. Give me a red, baby, but I still get the message. Instead of hello. Street dots, but I can connect them. If it ain't right, baby, you know I respect it. Guys, grabe yung Tagum. Sa lahat pupunta ng Tagum, thank you As in, grabe yung pagmamahal na binibigay niyo sa akin. I enjoyed so much. I'll post actually. Baka lang ako muna mag-post. Post lang ako ng mga pictures ko for Tagum para magustuhan niyo. Sige. Post lang ako and I'll come back, okay? I'll see you guys. Bye-bye. Love you all. I'll be back. Bye-bye.